Welcome again to another Brain Twister Problems episode. Today, I will be telling you the solution to this new and stunning problem. And Brad will be telling you the problem and the homework.
The problem for today is a bisector is the line that splits the angle in half.
I will now tell you the solution to this problem. To prove that line AD is the bisector line to angle A, we need to draw lines to the sides of the triangle. The lines have to be a right angle to the side, which it is drawn to. When all the lines are drawn, they should be in equal length. If they are not in equal length, then that means that you have either drawn it wrong or that is not where the bisector intersection should be. Like this. They should all be about the same length, and because since my drawing is not that good, they are actually all the same length. So if you draw a circle, that should be the radius.
The homework is O is the center of the triangle. Can you find the length of OD if BD is 18 units long?
Silly, screaming man. Thanks for watching. Please email me if you have trouble on the problem or if you just want to comment. My email is listed here below. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. The screaming man is still here.